Hi everyone, I'm Chris, just checking in. I hope you're doing well. On my end, I just recently did a big international move and I'll share more about that soon. For those who've been here for a while, you know that I started this YouTube channel back in 2008 in my 20s while I was in law school. And at that time, this channel was my creative outlet. It was a way for me to step away from the massive heap of case law and textbooks and dive into the world of beauty and wellness, topics that I couldn't explore in law school, but I could easily explore here, which I adored. Fast forward from 2008 to 2025, I've now reached my career goal as head of privacy and AI governance and associate general counsel at a global AI company. And while I'm thrilled about reaching my corporate career goals by my early 40s, that career path is actually what pulled me away from consistently posting here on this channel over the past decade plus. And so I've kept that part of my life separate, my legal career, but now I'm ready to share that part of my life here. And so over the past 10 plus years, I've focused specifically on data privacy and increasingly AI regulatory compliance. And I hit my dream title more than a year ago. And alongside that, I recently launched a Substack called Legal in the Loop, where I share insights from my work as a lawyer in the world of responsible AI. And there's so much happening in this space, especially from a regulatory perspective. So I know not everyone here will be interested in this topic of responsible AI, and that's totally fine. I'll still post about beauty and wellness topics, lifestyle topics, because that's all a part of me as well. What I want to do ultimately on this channel is provide a more comprehensive 360-degree view of my life, the career side, the personal side, the creative side. And so I hope you'll join me on this next chapter for this YouTube channel. I have so much to share about my recent move, my legal career, and of course, all things beauty and wellness, now through the lens of Chris as an elder millennial. It's just amazing how time flies and my journey on this channel overall. So please stay tuned for more content on the way and take care.